Hey guys, so this is the procedure video and we're just gonna start right away, and I'm gonna do a voiceover for this. All you're gonna need is a container and then olive oil. Then you're gonna pour 3 tablespoons of olive oil to the container. Afterwards, we're gonna put our honey. We're just gonna put about 2 tablespoons of honey. Most preferably thick honey. Afterwards, we're gonna measure the amount of sugar I'll be using. So I'll be using half a cup. So we're just gonna use that. Half a cup. Afterwards, we're gonna put the sugar onto our mixture, and yeah, as you can see, we're just pouring it on to the container. Then afterwards, we're gonna mix it so it is evenly distributed. We're just gonna fast forward that so we can see the final product later on in this video. So the mixture should be preferably a little bit more chunky, so it can be used to scrub the skin, but it's just preferably, but you can alter the ingredients since it's your mixture. So yeah. So here is the finished product. I have flattened it so it can be more a little bit presentable, and yeah, it looks pretty nice and shiny, and we can use it later on on our body. And here's a little montage of what I made. So yeah. So before I start this video, I'm just gonna show you what my skin looked like, my arm looked like before I scrubbed it. So it's pretty rough, and there's all that dead skin cells on my skin, so we're gonna get rid of that after this video. So yeah, let's just proceed. So now we're gonna apply our mixture, our sugar scrub, onto our skin. And firstly, I have prepared warm water to prep my skin to exfoliate and all that stuff. So yeah, here it is. After wetting the skin, I had directly applied the sugar scrub I just made onto the skin, and we're gonna rub it on a circular motion, so any dermabrasions we're gonna cause won't be less it won't be as much irritating, but sugar scrub is pretty gentle onto the skin, so yeah, just rubbed it in a circular motion. So for me, I just rubbed it for like 2 minutes to really clean the area and exfoliate it. So after applying it, I'm just gonna let it sit for a while. Then after that, we're gonna wash it with cold water to relieve the skin from the harsh ingredients of the scrub, and it's pretty nice and cold, so yeah. So this is what it looks like after the scrub. It's pretty nice, and I really have that bumpy things on my arm, so yeah, it's pretty normal. It didn't cause any irritations or allergies. And we're just gonna apply a lotion to relieve the skin to moisturize the skin after the scrubbing. So yeah, we're just gonna massage it for a while to really the lotion will go deeply onto the skin, so yeah. So as you can see, you can See that it is pretty smooth. And yeah, as you can see, I'm endorsing my hand, my arm there. And yeah. Hi ma'am, so my evaluation through all the procedure I've done is if I compared my homemade scrub to a scrub I bought at Watson's, aka A Bunny salt scrub, mine is pretty gentler than the salt scrub, but I think I used it on my whole body yesterday when I bathed, and it's pretty nice, but it's pretty sticky. I don't like the consistency compared to manufactured scrubs. But yeah, it's pretty it's my first time making one. I could probably consider some of the mistakes, but it's not perfect probably. So yeah, that's probably just my evaluation. Yeah, yun na yun, ma'am. Thank you.